Remember when we played around with this? Did you know that they also have hair care? Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. I am thrilled about this. A little while back, we played around with the Aubonacci root lift tool, and I was actually stunned by this product. I am sticking it through and rotating back. It is pulling a little bit, but nothing terrible. OMG, it worked. After that, the creator of this really cool tool reached out to me, and we have decided to partner together on this video, this One Brand Washday. I am so excited to play around with and test out the hair care line that she created. She's got all the stuff and things. This will be a pretty standard One Brand Wash Day. Thank you so much, Curly Life, for sending me these products and sponsoring today's video. I'm really looking forward to playing around with these and talking about the fun ingredients in each. But before we go wash this hair, let's take a look at the before hair. So this is day 4 hair. My hair is fine, low porosity, and wavy. I tend to be incredibly oily, greasy. Yep, I'm pretty bad right now. So attractive. And I do have some pre-poo oil on my ends. I've started doing that very consistently, putting oil on my hair before I shampoo and condition it. It's a game changer. All right, this is what it's looking like before. Pretty floofy and undefined. Now to the tub. As we begin this lovely wash day, I want to mention that these products are brand new. They just launched, and I am really excited and very grateful that I'm getting to test them out and play around with them. First off, we're going in with the Curl Shampoo. This is meant to really clean your curls and soothe your scalp. It does contain sodium C14, C16 olefin sulfonate, which is an intense surfactant, but it's still more gentle than a sulfate, and 2 other surfactants as well. I find that when a sulfate-free shampoo contains multiple surfactants, it definitely ups the cleaning power. This product smells amazing, very grapefruity in the best way possible. This also contains willow bark extract, avocado oil, panthenol, which is a form of vitamin B5. It penetrates into the hair cuticle and is a powerful humectant. Really cool product here, and this is a shampoo that is crazy slippery. This may be due in part to the fact that it contains a special silicone. Now, before you freak out, this silicone is used for shine and conditioning purposes, and it protects the hair from color fading and heat. This line was not formulated to be 100% curly hair friendly. There are some products in the line that are 100% curly hair friendly, but not every product is. I will be pointing those out to you as we continue this wash day. All that being said, every single one of these products is incredibly thoughtfully formulated, and each ingredient is in the product for a reason. I have been known to completely write off a product before when it contains a non-curly hair friendly ingredient, and that I'm learning is not always the best principle. Okay, now that we've thoroughly discussed that, let's talk about the curl conditioner, which is in fact 100% curly hair friendly. This is formulated with avocado oil, grapefruit, and lemongrass extract. It's deeply moisturizing and strengthening, and I'm going to try not to drop it in the tub while I show you the texture of the product. It is also color safe. This is a really delicious smelling conditioner that has incredible slip. This might just be the slipperiest conditioner I have ever tried. It has been a long time since I've used a conditioner with this much slip. Some other really interesting ingredients are dog rose extract, which is a scalp conditioner. These products, while being amazing for your hair, also have incredible properties for the scalp. Once I have thoroughly finger detangled my hair, because this conditioner is amazing to detangle with, I am going to finish distributing the conditioner through my hair with my brush. This is definitely one of those conditioners that foams up and could possibly make a really nice conditioning wash or co-wash. I am just pulling all the hair out of my brush and rinsing it before I add just a little bit of water to my hair before my squish to condish. You are not rinsing out the conditioner from your hair, you're just adding water to your hair so that the conditioner can penetrate better into the hair. Conditioners were meant to be applied on soaking wet hair and then have water added to them. My hair did clump up really well, which tells me that my hair really liked that conditioner. Now it's time for step 1, the leave-in curl styling cream. This is a really cool product. It does contain a water-soluble silicone and is 100% curly hair friendly. The texture of this product is really interesting, and I find that this fun, stringy consistency actually makes it really easy to distribute through the hair. This contains jojoba seed oil, which is a wonderful softening conditioning agent, sunflower extract, which is a naturally derived UV protectant, and polyquaternium 11, which is a plant-derived polymer that adds a lot of volume to the hair and helps thicken each strand. Now I'm just brushing that through my hair after distributing it with my fingers, and I'm starting to form my curl clumps for my swing curl clump method. If you want more info on exactly how I get my curl clumps to come together, I'll have that video linked in the eye for you. I am adding water to my hair. The more water that's in your hair when you apply your leave-in products, the bigger and juicier your curl clumps will be. I'm also making sure to really reach around and scrunch the sides and back of my hair. If you struggle with definition in the back of your head, concentrate on this step. It is a game changer. Now it's time for step 2, the curl styling serum. Guys, this line works so well all together. Each of these products feels very high end on their own, but when you combine them all together, it's really magical. This product does contain amidimethicone, which makes it not 100% CG approved, but this ingredient adds UV and thermal protection to the hair, which is a great thing. This product also contains hydrolyzed keratin, which I love me some products with some protein. This also contains panthenol, which is that vitamin B5 humectant. It also contains polyquaternium 59, which is a UV absorber designed to protect the hair from color fading if you have colored hair. Now, this could be enough hold on its own, or you could top it off with the step 3 curl styling gel. Guys, I was not prepared for this gel. One, I was not expecting it to be blue. Also, it's thick. This is a very thick gel. Little did I know that this is probably one of the strongest hold gels I have ever tried in my entire curly hair life. It does take quite a bit of work to get it emulsified into the hands, which reminds me a lot of some of my other Holy Grail favorite gels. It does eventually smooth out really nicely in the hands. You just have to emulsify it thoroughly. It does contain a couple of SD alcohols and a paraffin. The SD alcohols work as an emulsifier for some of the deeply nourishing ingredients, like the paraffin. This product also has titanium dioxide, which is a UV absorber, and sodium benzoyl butphenyl sulfonate. Wow, that was a mouthful, which is another UV absorber, which will help protect your hair from the sun. The founder of The Curly Life, Lisa, is in Florida, and she likes to play outside. So all of these products she formulated to protect her hair from the elements. I am just glazing this over my curls and really giving my hair a nice scrunch. I will warn you now, I grabbed so much gel. I am pretty sure I could have gotten away with 1/3 the amount of gel. But can you see the shrinkage? This might just be the most shrinkage I have had in my curls in a very long time after applying stylers. Now I have just plopped my hair and I'm getting ready to diffuse. Be giving my hair a little bit of a scrunch, aka micro plop, after plopping my hair. Sometimes with really hard hold gels, this can help reshape the curls after you plop. Now, before we go in and diffuse, I will be adding one more product from the Curly Life. This is the Curl Styling Final Touch. It is basically a hairspray with 11 botanical extracts like dog rose extract, chamomile extract, yarrow extract, lemon balm extract, lemongrass extract, white oak bark extract, and many more. It also contains witch hazel, which is very soothing for the scalp. This also contains a couple of isopropyl alcohols, but that will actually help shorten diffusing and drying time. Now that I have diffused the ends of my hair and I've got really nice cast going on, wowzers, this almost never happens to me. I will be going in with the Aubonacci styler. This is the brainchild of Lisa. She created this out of a need for a solution for root lift. She could always get the back of her hair styled beautifully, but she could never get root lift in the front like she liked. Root clipping was not working. And tell you what, I feel Lisa's plight. I hate root clipping, but this styler works so well. It gives me incredible root lift when I hover diffuse my roots without busting up my curl clumps. It gives me a ton of control over where I get my volume and how I get my volume. I can really sculpt my curls over my cowlick right there. Yep, I see you, cowlick. You are done. You are finished. Ha ha ha. Wow, that was dramatic. But you really do have a ton of control over where you sculpt your hair to go, and I have some serious volume now in my hair where I didn't have it before. Now that my hair is 90% dry, I'm just gonna let it air dry the rest of the way. Whoa, guys. This, maybe you can hear it, hold on. Can you hear the cast in my hair? I never get a crunchy cast in my hair, ever. So this is intriguing. I don't say ever, like it has happened once or twice, but it is very rare. So here we are. I'm a little nervous actually to see if I can crunch this out. I never get a cast this stiff. All right, here we go. I don't know if you can hear my kiddo in the background. He is having a good time this morning. He is playing quite a bit. It is taking me so long to scrunch out this cast that my battery died. This is taking me a minute. Clearly I needed to have grabbed less gel. All right, I got it. Mostly. These are the final scrunched out results. I have great root volume. I'm really feeling this. And yes, I did get that cast scrunched out. My hair does feel soft and good. There's a tiny bit of grit, which feels like in my brain that this is going to have really good hold. So I will be back later today to check in with you and show you how this wash day is holding up. Alrighty. We're here at the end of the day. And as y'all know, by 5 p.m., my hair goes up in a bun. So since I'm about to do that, I thought we'd check in real quick. My hair has not been pulled back yet, so let's see how much the curls have dropped without them being stretched out because I pulled my hair back. I will say that this is kind of the curliest my hair has looked in a long time. That's one of the fun things about being a wavy. Your hair can go from straight to almost curly. You get to experience and play around with a wide range of hair textures. I used to lament that my hair was just wavy, but now I'm starting to see the bright side. I have versatility. Anyway, we will do one more check-in tomorrow morning after I've had my hair pineappled all night long. See how it survives the night. Talk to you in 3, 2, 1. And here we are, day 2 results. I can't get over that I'm actually liking my day 2 hair better than wash day. My mind is blown. That almost never happens to me. That tends to be a phenomenon amongst people with a slightly tighter curl pattern. That wash day is not their favorite and like day 2, day 3 is more their favorite. That's not usually the case for me. Usually I like my hair on wash day and then it's just a slow decline from there. That is not the case with these products. I am liking my hair so much. Like I liked it yesterday, but I'm liking it even more today. I think that might be due in part to the crazy amount of gel that I grabbed. I was unprepared for how concentrated and strong that gel was. In the future, I'll probably double the amount of serum that I use and half the amount of gel, but there we go. What do y'all think? All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. This was a fun one. I'm not gonna lie. I was very, very impressed with this line. It's been a long time since I've tried out a hair care line and been floored like this. This is fun. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.